Well, Elon has come out and said that he may be talking to the Doge army in the very near future. We're going to talk about that in this video. As always, thank you for your support of this channel, the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. My name is Austin Hilton. I support this channel, making content for it as well with other fantastic content creators in the crypto space because we firmly and fundamentally believe in this company that is Clear Cryptos and what they're trying to do, their vision of trying to help crypto in so many different ways and so many different facets, and a lot of great things coming from them in 2023. Check them out in the description. Get involved, and promise this is a good one. All right. So with that said, here we go. So Elon has come out and said that within 3 or 4 days from now, he may be actually talking to the Doge army via a Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces. I always get that wrong. All right. So let's jump into this. So he's come out. Elon says he may talk to the Doge army via Twitter live within the next 3 days. I just said that, didn't I? All right. So if you don't know what spaces are, they are basically a medium on Twitter where they basically, think of it as a room where you have a room where everybody comes into this room, and you have people that are presenters that are speaking, and you just have this ongoing dialogue. It's actually been a great medium that has developed and continuing to gain steam. And so it is, and obviously with Elon now owning Twitter, obviously he uses these quite a bit, and this may actually happen. So it might happen on Christmas. We don't really know. So depending upon when you're watching this video, may or may not have already happened. But the bottom line is that I love the fact that Elon is willing to address the Doge army via these Twitter spaces and just, again, have the dialogue. Okay. So there's all of this ongoing, discussion around what is Elon going to do with Dogecoin as it relates to Twitter, right? And is he going to formally make it a part of, the payment system and all this kind of different stuff? And the short answer is yes. Okay. We all know that Elon is extremely crypto friendly, and that he is going to be putting stuff into place inside of Twitter to make crypto more and more a part of, that platform. Okay. And so I think Dogecoin will obviously be front and center in that dialogue. Okay. And so I think that, and be part of that initiative. And so the fact that he continues to reach across the aisle, if you will, to the Doge army, and to say, to continue to want to have discussions and share information and all that kind of stuff is a good thing. At the end of the day, that is a good thing. Okay. So yeah, so keep your eye out. Depending upon when you watch this video, it may or may not have already happened, but this is something, it's not firmly written in stone that actually when this is going to happen, but it is going to, and I'll even show you, it looks like it's going to be happening right here. The Doge theme Twitter account right here, Sir Doge of the Coin, and these at Doge official CEO. Okay, that's who is going to basically potentially be giving this Twitter Spaces for the Dogecoin scenario. All right, so that's what I got. As always, thank you. If you want to learn more about Clear, check them out. Links in the description below. So check them out. I'll see you.